So for our very third video, we're going to be doing a review and a showcase for this extremely stunning day date in yellow gold that we have. But it's not just any old day date. It's something really special, something really one for the books kind of a scene. And yes, I know the day dates come with a bigger box, but the client was, I think they'd misplaced the box, and this is the box that they'd had. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this piece for you. And welcome to Indian Watch Connoisseur, as always, your trusted, most accurate advisor, the most accurate connoisseur that you can have in India when it comes to watches. And super glad to be here. So coming back, my very own Submariner, and then with this I'm just gonna show it to you. And boom, wow, look at that. So this is a 3255 movement. It comes with a date window on the 12-hour marker, and then you have the Cyclops on the 3 o'clock, and then on the 6 o'clock you can see you have baguettes of piece. Just look at the details on this. And not only is this piece a collector's item, but at the same time it's one of those very beautiful, like a conversation starter sort of a piece. So I'm just going to give you a much more rounded view. And of course we are on Instagram, so this is where I've been shooting most of my content. It's a makeshift piece for now, but there you go. Such stunning details on a dial. I know the sun is sort of blocking the view, but I just want to show you the dials and how they're popping up on camera. Wow. So this retails at 58.98, but in the market you can find one approx for 65 to 67 lakh rupees. Some fortunate customers have been allotted these pieces at retail, but the secondary market is always a place where you can find almost any watch, so you can just check it out. And of course we sold it to a customer as well at a fantastic value, way below the market price. But yeah, what a fantastic item. And it comes with a presidential bracelet in full yellow gold. What a stunning piece. So these are all Pave Diamonds in the dial, and then baguette arm markers. Wow. And of course it's all factory set. What a stunning piece of kit.